In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Liquidity Pools TradingView Pro. We're going to walk through how to bring up a Liquidity Pools indicator inside TradingView so you can see where price might be attracted on the chart. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and pause at any time to catch up. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView account and have a chart open. This can be any market you like: crypto, forex, stocks. It doesn't matter. Once you're on the chart, look near the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually above the chart area in the main toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open up the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and add any tools you want to overlay on your chart. When that window appears, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly inside that search box so you can start typing. This step is important because TradingView has a huge library of indicators, and the search bar is the fastest way to find exactly what you need, instead of scrolling through long lists. Now, in that search box, type Liquidity Pools. As you type, TradingView will filter the results in real time. You should see one or more indicators related to liquidity pools appear in the list below. Take a moment here to read the titles and descriptions. If multiple scripts come up, look for one that has good ratings or is from a reputable author. Liquidity pool indicators are designed to highlight areas on the chart where a lot of orders may be sitting, often around obvious highs and lows. Having this plotted can help you understand where price may be drawn to or where stop hunts might occur. Once you've found the liquidity pools indicator you want to use, simply click on it. TradingView will automatically add it to your chart. You should see new lines, zones, or markings appear, depending on how that particular script is designed. If you want to fine-tune it, you can hover over the indicator's name at the top of your chart and open the settings to adjust colors, visibility, or sensitivity to better match your trading style. Finally, if you're using or planning to use TradingView Pro, remember to use the affiliate link in the video description. That link will take you directly to TradingView's sign up or upgrade page, so you can unlock more features, more indicators on a single chart, and an overall smoother experience while using tools like the Liquidity Pools indicator. And that's all you need to start using Liquidity Pools on TradingView Pro.